Ever notice your chest rising when you breathe? That's chest or accessory breathing. That's what we call it. Using your upper chest, your neck, your shoulders to breathe. Okay. Now, chest breathing is shallow, inefficient, and it tires out the muscles not built for breathing. Okay, including your chest, your neck, and your shoulder muscles. And it also limits oxygen delivery inside the body, which leads to tight neck muscles, shoulder muscles, and even increases your stress response, which causes a whole other cascade of issues with digestion, and not to mention muscle tension. So in contrast to chest breathing, you have diaphragmatic breathing, or what we call belly breathing. Belly breathing engages your diaphragm. So it's the powerhouse breathing muscle, right? Your diaphragm is the powerhouse breathing muscle. It expands the lower lungs, it improves oxygen intake, and relaxes your nervous system. So if you've been chest breathing, which most of us have, most of us are chest breathers, habitually, if you're doing that, your diaphragm weakens. And this is how it relates to hiatal hernia, because your hernia herniates up through your weak diaphragm. So your rib cage stiffens, core stability drops, and breathing gets even more shallow. Try this. Lie down with one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. And I want you to go ahead and breathe in through your nose, okay? Only your belly rises. Exhale through your pursed lips, and only the belly falls. And this takes practice, daily practice. I would say about 5 minutes a day of practicing that can retrain your breath, and it strengthens your diaphragm, reduces tension, and improves your posture and stress levels. And most of all, will strengthen the diaphragm so your hernia, your stomach, doesn't herniate back up. Now, I am the patented developer of the REFLUX Shield, and the REFLUX Shield comes with breathing exercises that you're supposed to do on a daily basis. This is just another breathing exercise to help you retrain from chest breathing to stomach breathing. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.